Knowing why they're doing it, now the question becomes, what do you do in response to the nice ask of, ma'am, may I do a recorded statement to get down what happened? So what I tell people is you want to remain very polite. You understand the system and what their job is. You know what your job is to protect yourself. So you just kindly tell them, thank you so much. I do not want to do a recorded statement at this time. The police report, the photographs, all of the other information I will be getting you about this claim will lay everything out. My medical records, everything for any treatment, it all should be there. If there are any issues going forward, I can certainly answer specific questions, but I don't want to do that at this time and certainly do not want to do it in a recorded fashion. So that's the first way to do it. We'll pull we're going to close the file. Well, what do you do with that? No, my understanding is you must keep my file open. I do not want you closing my claim file. I am still pursuing a claim against your insured and your insurance company. Please keep it open. And you have to, regardless of whether I'm willing to do a recorded statement. If they tell you it's not the law, again, know what the law is. So you want to say, no, that's not the law, ma'am. I do not have to give a recorded statement. Neither does your insured have to give me a recorded statement. So this is only being fair. No one's doing recorded statements. So no, it's not the law. And please, we need to move this claim forward. If she says, we're not going to pay the full amount of your bills unless you do a recorded statement, what I would suggest is just say, okay, I understand that. Now that's not the law, but if you would please put that in writing, email, or a letter. I would like to have that for my file that so and such, let's say it's State Farm, that State Farm is taking the position they will not adjust my claim in good faith unless and until I give a recorded statement. And if they become super obtuse with this, you can always use I would like to get that in writing because I'm going to reach out to the insurance commissioner and let them know what I'm being told, because I don't believe that's the law, nor is it good faith for you to make those types of statements with all due respect. So again, you're very calm, being very nice about it, when at the same time you're saying, this is the things I'm going to do because this does not make sense, and my understanding of the law is I don't have to give these things to you. Again, the more they push, the more they fight, makes you feel more and more comfortable that they're just trying to get this for their claim to try to harm you, not try to help you in resolving the claim.